In the somber aftermath of 2022, Ta Som Temple, nestled within the ancient Angkor Archaeological Park, bore witness to a tragic event, the untimely demise of its revered tree. This towering emblem of history and spirituality had stood sentinel for generations, its sprawling branches offering shade and solace to pilgrims and tourists alike. Yet, on that fateful day, the tranquility of Ta Som was shattered as the sound of saws echoed through the air. In a matter of minutes, the once majestic tree, a living testament to the passage of time, was felled, its branches crashing to the ground in a poignant crescendo of destruction. The loss was deeply felt by all who had found solace beneath its boughs, and whispers of sorrow rippled through the surrounding landscape. For many, the tree had been more than just a natural wonder. It was a symbol of resilience, a silent witness to the ebb and flow of history. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, the absence of the tree cast a long shadow over Ta Som Temple. Visitors, accustomed to the tree's towering presence, found themselves grappling with a profound sense of loss as they wandered through the temple's ancient corridors. Yet, amid the sorrow, there emerged a glimmer of hope, a renewed commitment to conservation and preservation. In the wake of the tree's demise, efforts were redoubled to protect and safeguard Ta Som and its surrounding environs. From grassroots initiatives to international partnerships, a global community rallied around the cause, determined to ensure that Ta Som's legacy endured for generations to come. And so, as the sun dipped below the horizon on that fateful day in 2022, casting long shadows across the temple grounds, a new chapter began. A chapter defined not by loss, but by resilience, renewal, and the enduring power of the human spirit.